Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an equation in x and we have to satisfy the value of x such that the equation becomes equal, that is, left hand side becomes equals right hand side. Now the equation given to us is minus of 3x plus 4 upon 2 minus of 2x minus 4 upon 5 equals minus of 0.2x plus 17.2 upon 10. Now the LCM of the left hand side is equals 10, because LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So in the denominator we are going to have 10. Now 10 when divided by 2 will produce 5. So 5 multiplied by minus of 3x plus 4, and 10 when divided by 5 will produce 2. So it will be minus of 2 multiplied by minus of 2x minus 4, that's extended, will be equals minus of 0.2x plus 17.2 upon 10. So 10 and 10 will cancel out each other. How? If you multiply both sides of the equality by 10, so 10 and 10 will cancel out each other. Okay. Now in the next step, we are going to simplify the numerator. So it will be 5 multiplied by minus 3x is minus of 15x, and then we have plus 20. Then minus of 2 multiplied by minus 2x will become plus 4x, and then we have minus of 4 multiplied by minus of 2, which is plus 8. And in the right hand side we have minus of 0.2x plus 17.2. So shift minus 0.2x to the left hand side, so it will become plus 0.2x. So minus of 15x plus 0.2x will give us minus of 14.8x, and we also have plus 4x, so plus 4x, and the constant terms are 20 and 8. So 20 plus 8 will become 28. Shift 28 to the right hand side, so it will become minus of 28, and we already have 17.2. So minus of 14.8x plus 4x will become minus of 10.8x, which will be equals minus of 10.8. So divide both sides of the equality by minus of 10.8 in order to get the value of x. So ultimately the value of x will be equals 1. So x equals 1 will be the required answer. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C is the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.